Toyota 8A proximity key error fixed with Lonsdor K518 Pro Smartbox reset solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to IMMO Motors, your trusted place for everything related to automobile diagnostics and smart key programming. Before we dive into today's topic, let me quickly share a very important note. This video is created strictly for educational and informational purposes only. All demonstrations, explanations, and content shown here are meant solely to help technicians, learners, and car enthusiasts understand how to properly deal with vehicle diagnostic procedures and key programming. We follow fair use guidelines in every video, which means any clips, images, or references are used only for teaching and review. All trademarks and brand names mentioned here belong to their respective owners, and nothing here is used commercially. Remember, always follow your vehicle manufacturer's official repair instructions and local regulations whenever performing diagnostic or programming work. Now, let's start with a small challenge for you. Did you know that on some 2024 Toyota Tundra models, when you try to generate an emergency key using the Lonsdor K518 Pro, you might encounter the error message, "No valid key data found," or sometimes, "PEPS is brand new"? Comment below if you've ever seen this error before or if you think you know why it happens. I'll be revealing the exact reason and the solution by the end of this video. Meanwhile, let's set a community target. Can we hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within the first 24 hours? If you find this guide useful, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you really want to support IMMO Motors, you can also consider using the Super Thanks feature. Every like, comment, and subscribe keeps this channel running and helps us share even more solutions with the automotive world. All right, let's talk about the problem in detail. Imagine you're working on a 2024 Toyota Tundra. You've got the Lonsdor LT20 board ready, and you've set the PKE frequency to 314.35:312.09. You connect your Lonsdor K518 Pro, read the immobilizer data, and then you attempt to generate the emergency key. But suddenly, instead of completing the process, the tool throws up a message saying, "No valid key data found," or even worse, "PEPS is brand new." Now, here's the tricky part. This message wasn't appearing before. So why is it happening now? At first glance, you might think the problem lies with the LT20 keyboard itself. Many technicians would assume it's a hardware issue, but in this case, that's not the real problem. The actual issue is that the PEPS smart box inside the vehicle does not contain any valid key data. In simple terms, the smart box has been reset or is in a state where no key information exists. So when your programmer tries to generate an emergency key, it can't find the required data to proceed, and that's why it shows you this error. So what's the solution? Well, the fix is actually built into the Lonsdor menu system. You'll need to reset the smart box using the correct path inside the IMMO and remote programming menus. Here's exactly what you should do step by step. First, go into the Lonsdor K518 Pro menu and select IMMO and remote. Then choose Toyota from the list of manufacturers. From there, don't select by model, select from type. Now choose All Smart Key Lost, and then move on to Type 3, 2022 and newer. Select 8A, and finally click on Reset PEPS, AKL. By doing this, you reset the PEPS smart box, allowing it to accept new key data and making the emergency key generation process possible again. But here's something important to keep in mind. If this menu option doesn't work for your specific vehicle, then unfortunately, it means that model is currently not supported by the Lonsdor software. In that case, you may need to look at alternative tools or methods for key programming. Always double-check compatibility before beginning, especially with newer models like the 2024 Tundra, since software support is still being updated across various diagnostic platforms. This solution highlights an important point that every technician should remember. When dealing with smart key systems, not all errors are caused by the keys or programmers themselves. Sometimes the issue lies deeper in the vehicle's electronic control units, like the PEPS smart box in this case. Understanding where the data resides and how the system functions is the real key to solving such problems quickly and efficiently. And that's why staying updated with the latest diagnostic software paths and reset procedures is absolutely crucial for anyone working in the automotive field. A simple misunderstanding about where key data is stored can waste hours of your time, while knowing the correct reset process can save you and your customer both time and money. Now let's wrap this up with the answer to the question I asked at the start. Remember I asked why the Lonsdor K518 Pro shows no valid key data when trying to generate an emergency key for a Toyota 8A proximity system? The answer is that the PPS Smart Box has no valid key data inside it. It has been reset, and therefore no keys are registered in the system. That's why you need to reset it through the menu path I explained. Personally, I think this solution is a great example of why diagnostic knowledge is more important than just having the latest tools. Tools are powerful, but without the know-how to interpret errors and follow proper reset procedures, even the best programmer can leave you scratching your head. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you faced this exact issue before with Toyota 8A proximity keys? What solutions work for you? Drop your experiences in the comments below, because your insights could help thousands of other technicians around the world. Before we sign off, let me share a quick auto industry tip. Did you know that on modern Toyota vehicles, the PPS system doesn't just manage smart keys, but also communicates with multiple modules to control functions like push-button start and even remote entry timing? This is why a reset affects more than just the keys. It refreshes the entire communication setup, which can solve hidden glitches beyond just key recognition. So don't forget, let's aim high. Hit that like button and help us reach 10,000 likes. Drop at least 1,000 comments, and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on. If you enjoyed this solution and want to see more, consider giving a super thanks to keep Bobji Motors thriving. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, happy diagnosing, and I'll see you in the next video.